wake up in the morning and your hip is twisted stars. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, or where you gonna sleep tonight?
Alright guys, so I've got a package, not an extra my address, but I've got a package this, so I'm going to open this up. It's from Midco Toys. I think I have a funny feeling what this is from. So, it's a pack of Vanguard, Onslaught the Dragons. I ordered a pack off these last time. Go check them out, got them off Amazon. They were £2.50 a pack, free postage. This is my second pack that I've got from them. So I'm going to open this up. I do want to open it like this. Actually no, I won't. Yeah, well, it's already open like that. So trying to keep the packet. I'll do it like that. That'll be fairly good. I'll put that in my pack rips. Right, so I believe the best cards at the back. So we have a Panzer Gale. He's a Spike Brother Ogre. So it's nice. Security Guardian, Oracle Think Tank Battleroid. It's 8,000 power. That's a grade 2, same as the others. Then we've got a Itelli Mouse, which is a grade 0. That's 4,000, that's just a normal unit. That's a Great Natured High Beast. Then we have a Red Lightning. You can see that there, Red Lightning. It's a grade 0. Then we have just a normal rare. Slight power, that is a Demonic Dragon Mage Chimera. That's the Kagero Dragon Man, so that's nice. So this I need to get a sleeve for that. I now have 10 cards from. I have 10. Wait, sorry. I will just get. It's not as hollow as the other one. It's but it is still slightly parallel. If I can get a sleeve, there we are. A sleeve. Nice. That's my second. I got a super double rare and a normal rare. That's 10 cards. That was a. Don't know what the pulls are like, but I suppose fairly average pulls then. Don't know what the cards are worth. Yeah, it's all my cards for trade or sale. Oh, yeah, that's my door. Right, so see you later, guys.